So now we are going to discuss about the next point in the mathematical logic, that is conjunction. So it is another compound, so that the word connecting word which we call it as a conjunction, or which we call as a conjunction, means for the and, the and connecting word and. So the symbol which we are using for this is like this. So two or more statement is connected by the word and, by the word and, to form to form a compound statement, compound statement then and is called the conjunction, is called the conjunction. So and it is denoted by, and it is denoted by symbolical form, like this cap. So these are the symbolical form of and. So now we see that is the truth table for the conjunction. So when it is true, when it is false. So for this I will take one example. So I give one compound statement for the connecting word and. 2 is a 2 is a prime number and even number, even number. So if the compound statement is true for a conjunction, only if both the component statements should be true. So when this given statement is true, if and only if both these component statements should be true. ಯಾವಾಗ true ಆಗುತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು true ಆಗಬೇಕು. For example, if I take that is, so Q is another statement. It is true statement. So it is a true. I will write it is a true statement because 2 is a prime number and even number. So 4 is even number and odd number. Whether the statement is correct, 4 is even and odd number. No, it is a false statement. It is a false statement. Why is the reason? 4 is a even, it is true, but and it is odd, mattu odd, so it is not correct. So then the given compound statement is false. So when it is false, so if true and this is false, true and false, it is false. So when it is true, both are true, it is true. So we take the another statement. For example, 2 is a number odd number and prime number. Prime number. 2 is a odd number and a prime number. 2 odd number ಐತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಐತಿ, ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 is a even prime number, it is not a odd prime number. Then what about the statement? It is a false. So from this we clarify that, so if P is true, the first component statement is true and second statement is false, then it is false. If the first statement is false and second statement is true, then also it is a false. From this it is clear that, so both components should be true for the conjunction. Both the components should be true for the conjunction. So otherwise it is a false. It is a false for all remaining cases. Let me take the truth table for that. Truth table. So let me take that is P and Q are the components and symbolically written as a P and Q. If P is true, Q is true. If both P and Q are true, then we say that is a true. If P is false, then Q is, suppose, if it is false, then it is true, then also false. So if it is true, false, so that is false. False, false, so it is false. So from this it is clear that, so conjunction is true only when both are true, otherwise it is false. In remaining cases ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೋತ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So from this truth table we are got that is the, so one condition. So let me name it as a note, you have to remember that. So ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ, if both are true then it is true, P and Q are true. If any one of them is a false or both are false, then also remaining all cases it is a false. So P and Q is true only when both P and Q are true, are true. Other in other cases, in other cases P and Q is false. False. In remaining cases it is false. It is true only when both are true. Otherwise, in other cases P and Q is false. In ಉಳ್ಕುದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸಿಗೆ ಏನದಾವೆ false. So this is about the conjunction and its truth table. Next we move to that is another compound statement, that is a disjunction. Disjunction. A compound statement, compound statement, obtained by by combining two statements statement by using the disjunction called disjunction. Next we move to that is the its truth value. So how it is indicated? If P and Q are two statements, then then the disjunction of P and Q is P or Q. P or Q, or we can write that is P or Q. Symbolically we write. Then its truth value. We can take that is the one compound statement here, that is 3 is a 3 is a odd number or prime number. So 3 is a odd number or a prime number. So it is a true statement. It is a true statement. So now we see that is, so from this it is clear that, so compound statement is true if only, so if any one of them is true, or ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದರ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so it is false. So that the compound statement for the or, which we call it as a distinction, so is true for all cases except if both are false. ಎರಡು false ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ false ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. 3 is a even number or 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 divisible by 2. So 3 is a even number, no it is false. 3 is divisible by 2, no it is also false. If both are false, then the given statement is false. ನೋಡಿ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ even number, 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ divisible by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ, ಎರಡೂ false ಅದಾವ, false. So like this, so let me understand about the truth table of this compound statement, that is a disjunction. ಇದರದ್ದು truth table ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So truth table of the compound statement. Truth table. So P, Q, P or Q. So true, false, true, false. Like this we have to take true, true, false, false. The consideration of the truth value for the given component statement we have to take. First true, false for the first statement. For the second statement true, true, false, false. Like this we have to construct when we are going to construct any logical table, truth table for the given compound statement. ಈ ತರನ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ components ಏನ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ P ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೂರನೇದು ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಆತಾವ್ರಿ, ಹಂಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, ಆಮೇಲೆ 3, ಹಿಂಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, P ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ದೆನ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಟ್ರೂ, ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೂ, ಎರಡು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, This is the truth value for the given compound statement, that is the disjunction. So ಏನು ನೋಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ note that. So it is false only when both are false. So P or Q is false only when both both P and Q are false. In other cases it is true. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ P or Q ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ? only when both are false. ಎರಡೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ರೀ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ it is true. Only it is a false when both are false. This is about the disjunction. So next we move to that is a conditional. So another compound statement which we call it as a conditional statement. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? conditional statement. Conditional. So for which we call as a conditional statement, if two component statement combined together by a word, connecting word or a phrase. So if then it is called as a compound statement. A compound statement is formed. So compound statement is formed by combining two or more statement by using the word if then. Then it is called as a conditional. And symbolically we write that is like this arrow mark, or simply we will take that is an arrow mark. So this is a symbol. So we are using for the conditional. if then ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? conditional ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So if we form any compound statement by using the word if then it is called as a conditional statement. So let's take that. A compound statement obtained by combining two or more statement by using the phrase word or phrase if then at an proper place, at an appropriate place, appropriate place is called conditional. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? conditional statement. So one example ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ್ರಿ. P is a compound statement. If 2 is a 6 is a even number then it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. So now we see that we observe that truth table for this compound statement. So what is the truth table for this compound statement that we have to discuss about the truth table. So for the conditional statement, so it is true false is false only when P is true and Q is false. In other cases it is true. So let's if so we'll take that if P and Q are two statements, then the conditional is denoted by P conditional Q, or we can write that is P conditional Q. P conditional Q. So let me see its truth table. The truth table nodonri. So it is true in all cases, but it is false only when if P is true and Q is false. P true agi Q false aaytu andre so false. So let me take the truth table. Truth table. So first P Q P conditional Q. So true, false, true, false, true, true, false, false. So true, 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 false, true. So P false, P true with the Q false, P true with the Q false. That is false. False true. That is true. False false. True. So it is only false when P is true and Q is false false. Here it. So P conditional Q note only. P conditional Q is false if P is true and Q is false. In other cases, in other cases, in other cases it is true. It is about the conditional statement. Conditional statement symbolically written like this. So which we have. So it is false only when P is true and Q is false. ಯಾವಾಗ false ಇರ್ತೈತಿ P true ಇದ್ದು Q false ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ false ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. In remaining cases it is true. Remaining cases it is true. Next we move to that is the biconditional statement. So next we move to that is the biconditional statement. Biconditional or equivalence A compound statement, a compound statement for which we call as biconditional. A compound statement is obtained by combining two or more statements by using the phrase, that is if and only if and only if at a appropriate places, at a appropriate place if you use, that is the if and only if condition, so then it is called as the, so given compound statement is called a biconditional statement. And the word which we use, that is if and only if, so that is called as a biconditional. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ, biconditional ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದನ್ನ symbolically ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೇವ್ರಿ, so we'll write that symbolically like this. Double N, or simply we write like this. So this is the symbol we are using for the biconditional statement. A compound statement compound statement obtained by combining two statement by using the phrase if and only if and only if at appropriate place, at appropriate place is called is called is called biconditional. Biconditional, and it is denoted by, it is denoted by q, or we write by this if p, if and only if q, p if and only if q. So this is about the conditional statement, and this is true when both are true and also when both are false. Remaining all cases it is, so that is false. P biconditional is true only when both P and Q true and or P and Q false. In other cases, it is false. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ, ಎರಡು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ರೀ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ then it is true. So this is about the truth value of the given compound statement if and only if. So let me write the truth table for this. compound statement. Truth table for this compound statement. P, Q, P, biconditional Q. True, false, true, false. True, true, false, true. So then, true, 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 false, true, 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 false, true, sorry, false, true, false, true, false, 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 so that is false. So our